Hello, how are you guys? I'm trying to cover my Tesla trade that we had last week. We were able to catch Tesla to the upside and to the downside. So, a few things that I want to share with you guys is that I was able to do such kind of thing because my trades are solely based on price action. I try to keep my trade as simple as I can, and keep an open mind when I'm going into the day so I can just look at the price action and judge my trade based on that. So starting on Monday over the weekend, we had a Tesla catalyst of the delivery number which beat Wall Street expectation, and we saw a huge gap up on Tesla. So this gap up and gap down based on catalyst is a setup that we have traded before as well, and it works out really well. It usually it's followed by a continuation. That's something that we saw on Tesla on Monday. We saw a huge gap up on Tesla, and something I pointed out that initial profit taking could give us an entry. That's exactly what we did. We took a position on Tesla and was able to profit it. Rolled a few times, and Tesla ended up high, like at the highs at the end of the day. So that was the trade on Tesla on Monday. Going into Tuesday, we saw some market-wide weakness. We saw that the SPX broke all the way all-time high and just reversed from there. And QQQ just sold off. So we saw some market-wide weakness on Tesla. So didn't have a trade over there. I think I had a SPX call trade, but that's about it. Other than that, I was just watching the market. So I was watching Tesla, how it was acting right after selling off. So it was a big price reversal on Tesla. So this 1120, I want to talk about this 1120 area. So this is a price level that we have been watching on Tesla for a few months. Right here, 1120. So if you zoom out on the daily chart, you can see that this act as a really good support and resistance on Tesla. Over here, you can see this is the 1120 area right here. Perfect. So this is a good support. This is a good resistance. This is a good resistance over here in this area. So that's something I was watching on Tesla when it was selling off, what it does around that area. I think I took a trade over here on Tesla. Sorry, let me zoom out. Yeah, right here. So I was watching this area and I took a trade over here on the way, a call side. So a bullish trade over here. And it played out really well, was able to roll it and got some good profit and sold all of them around this view up area. This is also another a tool I use in my trading is that I have when we have a weak stock and it sells off on the reversal, it usually gets rejected by the VWAP. That's sometimes it plays out really well. So that's what we saw, and I was able to take my profit off of. I didn't take a put trade over here, but that would have been a good put trade. Later in the following day, I was watching the same area, 1170, 1170, 1160, 68 area. I saw that Tesla got rejected and sold off into the weekend. So I wasn't trading Tesla on this day. I was focusing on SPX. Took some SPX put and was able to profit on them really good. Following day, we saw that the Tesla found support around 1080, 1090 area. And that's the level I was watching on Tesla. So in the pre-market, we saw that the support became a resistance on Tesla. Tesla couldn't break above the 1085 area, and that's the area I was watching in the pre-market. Over here, when I saw, so right over here at open on 6th January, I saw a trade flow trade on Tesla right over here. So a trade flow Tesla trade and with almost $1 million in premium short-term call option. Something that I've been watching other people benefit from it. I am not good at it. I'm just learning how to use them. So I took a shot at it. I took a bullish trade on Tesla, but I also was watching this area. Took some profit on this. Then I saw some weakness. Tesla still couldn't get through it. So I sold my call position for almost break even. Switched my bias because I saw weakness on it and it was getting rejected. There was a weakness in the market as well, QQQ and SPX, so I took a put trade on Tesla over here. We were able to roll it. I think first initial was like 10.50 and then 10.30, then 10, and I was able to take most of my profit around as soon as I see Tesla was approaching another big level on Tesla, which could act as a support, 10.20. I was just watching Tesla for the rest of the day and it traded in a range. I think I did take a call position as well once I saw that the Tesla broke above VWAP and held. This is where, and then tested the VWAP again, held. I think we took a trade on it and took some good profit. It tested again later in the day, 1085 couldn't get through and just trading from there. I was watching Tesla, what it does, and last Friday I saw that Tesla tested that 1080 area, couldn't get through it. Found some support at 1050, tested that 1080 area, couldn't get through it, so I was started looking at puts. Right when I saw that the Tesla was breaking this support, I took some put position on it, and we had a nice downtrend to the trade all the way to the next support. 1021. So this is some another level that we have been watching for a big time. And later in the day, I was just watching how Tesla was trading. So it almost got to the VWAP, couldn't get through it, traded in the range, then was testing this area again. Looked very weak, took another trade, lotto trade, was able to benefit off of it, sold into the weakness, and then we saw that the Tesla found some support around 1010. As soon as I saw that Tesla broke, there was some buyers stepping in, and Tesla had some volume coming in over here. You can see the volume spike. I started looking at the call. I wasn't able to alert because of some problem, but trust me, we're working on to fix that. Shouldn't happen again. So I took some calls over here, sold into all the way up to the VWAP. It was a nice quick trade over here, and then I was just watching Tesla for the rest of the day. Few things that I want to point out from these Tesla options is that Tesla and SPX are one of my best one of my best stocks to trade. If I see momentum, I'll focus on these two stocks because I know them really well how to trade them. I almost have these levels memorized, so I know exactly where I want to take a trade, where I want to exit my trade. So this is something that I want to point out to all of the new member is that pick few stocks in the beginning and just learn how to trade them. Learn their levels, how they trade around these few levels, and start your trading career from these. This is an easy approach. You only have one or two stocks to watch, see how they act around these areas, and just focus on these. Once you're able to learn price action movement from these stocks, then you can use this skill on your other stocks as well and expand your library of your watch list from there. So you don't have to watch 100 or 1,000 stocks or every other moving stocks. You can just focus on few stocks, learn how they act around these price points. Make it as simple as you can for yourself, right? Like focus on price action only. Once you get good on price action, start including other tools, VWAP, moving averages, supply and demand, and 13 EMA. You don't have to add all of these at the beginning because it will confuse you. It will mess with your bias. So just keep it simple in the beginning. Just start with price action, see how price action works, learn how to trade stocks using this price action. Once you get good at it, then expand the tools in your trading. Include other moving averages so you can make your trading more easily and which can help you with your bias, right? That, and then later on you can add more stocks to your watch list. I focus on SPX and Tesla because these are the two stocks which have made me most money. I know how to trade them really well, and that's what I use as my judgment, and then I use this skill set on other stocks. Yeah, so that was my trade on Tesla. On the way up and on the way down, we were able to catch some easy trades on Tesla because of the price action. Yeah, I would recommend you to work on charting these levels on your stocks, learn how these stocks move around these levels, and go from there. You don't need to complicate your trading. You don't need to have thousands of indicators, averages, moving averages, stuff on your. Start simple and start small and easy, and learn these skill set, and then include and try, and then later on you can include other thing in your trading. Thank you for watching the video. I'll see you in the next.